Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to perform experiment on RC parallel circuit. In order to perform experiment on RC parallel circuit, it is necessary to select the two elements. First is resistance and second one is capacitor. In this case, 100 watt lamp act as a resistance and a capacitor of suitable value is connected across resistance, and both are collectively act as RC parallel circuit. The main purpose of performing experiment on RC parallel circuit is to determine the active, reactive and apparent power. To perform experiment on RC parallel circuit, we require few components. First one is single phase variac, which is having dial 0 to 260 volt. The main purpose of using single phase variac is to vary the input supply voltage applied to the RC parallel circuit. Second most important component is single phase 0 to 300 volt AC voltmeter. It will helps in providing the value of input voltage applied across RC parallel circuit. Then in order to measure the value of total current, we use 0 to 2 ampere AC ammeter. Then to measure the value of power consumed by RC parallel circuit, 100 watt 100 volt 1 ampere wattmeter is connected in the RC parallel circuit. Next is to measure the current flowing through resistance line. We are going to use 0 to 2 ampere AC ammeter, and to measure the value of current in the capacitor branch, we are going to use 0 to 2 ampere AC ammeter. Now we are going to actually perform the experiment on RC parallel circuit. I am going to set the value of input supply voltage to 180 volt. Therefore, with the use of rotary arm of single phase variac, it is possible to set the input voltage to 180 volt. Here we all can see that for input voltage of 180 volt, total supply current is 0.558 ampere, and for 180 volt input AC supply voltage, power consumed by RC parallel circuit is 72 watt. Similarly, current flowing in the resistance branch, that is IR, is 0.391 ampere, and current flowing through capacitor circuit, that is IC, is 0.357 ampere. Now I am going to set the value of input supply voltage to 190 volt. Therefore, for input supply voltage of 190 volt, total current is 0.585 ampere. Power consumed by RC parallel circuit is 79 watt. Then current flowing through resistor connected in parallel, that is the current flowing through IR is 0.402, and current flowing through capacitor, that is IC, is 0.375 ampere. Now I am going to set the value of input voltage to 200 volt. Therefore, for input supply voltage of 200 volt, total current is 0.608 ampere, and power consumed by RC parallel circuit is 85 watt. Similarly, current flowing through IR, that is current flowing through resistor IR is 0.412 ampere, and current flowing through capacitor IC is 0.395 ampere. Now I am going to increase the voltage value to 210 volt. Therefore, for input supply voltage of 210 volt, total current is 0.634 ampere, and power consumed by RC parallel circuit is 92 watt. Similarly, for input supply voltage of 210 volt, current flowing through parallel connected resistance is IR value is given by 0.424 ampere, and current flowing through parallel connected capacitor is 0.413 ampere. Now I am going to take the final reading. For this purpose, I am going to set the input supply voltage value to 220 volt. Therefore, for input supply voltage of 220 volt, total current is 0.650 ampere. Power consumed by RC parallel circuit is 96 watt. Similarly, current flowing through parallel connected resistor, that is IR value is 0.434 ampere, and current flowing through parallel connected capacitor, that is the value of IC is 0.436 ampere. Therefore, with the values of input supply voltage, then total current flowing through resistor IR, current flowing through capacitor IC, and power consumed by RC parallel circuit, it is very much easy to determine the values of active power, reactive power and apparent power.